Guys, y'all won't believe what happened. Long story short, I went from my iPhone 8 to getting an iPhone 14. I always said my phone has to completely die before I get a new one, right? So basically, I got an iPhone 18. I said 18. That's funny. I got an iPhone 14. This is the 512 memory, and I'm walking through the park, right? And my phone falls on the floor without the case, because I'm waiting for my case to arrive, which is here. But what happened was, you could tell by how a phone falls based over the scratches on it. So what I realized is it fell on the camera part, which didn't do that much damage. I got my old camera. I'm using my old camera right now, not this iPhone. I normally vlog with the iPhone, but maybe I can see it. It fell off this right here, and then it landed on the front. And to be honest with you, it really didn't get damaged as far as I know. But I was tight. I was like, dang. You know, I was walking through the park, and that happened. So long story short, a long story long, I got this package right here. I'm gonna leave the link in the description of where I got the package from, and y'all can see if y'all want the package. But y'all want the screen protector. It comes with a screen protector and a case, and you know, a camera protector as well, because you know the camera protrudes out of the back of the phone, the iPhone 14. So let's open it, and again, I'm leaving the link in the description. And the price of the product is very cheap. It's called TOCOL, T-O-C-O-L. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but this is the product right here. You know. So let's open it up and see how it looks, man. Again, this camera is very old, being that the camera I got is probably like a 2008 camera, you know. But I'm gonna start vlogging with this, and it's going to be the iPhone 14. It's going to be very clearer, hopefully, you know. That's the objective. You know, I really got the camera, as I'm unboxing it, I really got the camera because the iPhone 8 battery was just dying crazy. You know, the battery is bad, but it got worse over time. I got like 80% battery health on the iPhone 8 Plus. Okay. How it feels. It comes with something. It's probably like a sticker or something that says TOCOL on it. Case is in here. So it comes with a guide. Come with alcohol pads. You know, this is like a Bible for most of us, including myself. Come with a Tempur-Pedic glass, a screen protector. Oh, it comes with 2 screen protectors. That's good. I'm impressed. I know it said that. I think it did say that. Yeah. Comes with 2 screen protectors. Of course, it comes with this is what we need. Comes with this, and it covers up the scratch. You know, like I said, I scratched my phone when it fell. It covers up the scratch perfectly. Actually, if I put this in here, you won't even realize the scratch because it has like a little rubber part on it. Right here. I can't wait to start vlogging with this with my new iPhone, because it's gonna be more clearer, way more clearer. Okay, fits perfectly, of course. What we gotta do now, we gotta clean the screen. So we gotta use the alcohol pads. Hopefully I'm doing it right. If I do it wrong, I'd be crazy. But I gotta see how to put the Tempur-Pedic glass on too, because I don't wanna mess it up. I believe the instruction guide is in here, so I'm gonna open it up real fast. Speed up the video.
I wonder why I put stickers in here. It says dust absorber. What? I don't get it. I'm looking for the guide just in case, you know.
They probably like, yo, something must be wrong with you if you're not install this.
Play on the back.
If it don't come with no instruction guide, I'm gonna just put it on myself. but I thought it would come with something. That's one thing I could say. Don't come with no instruction guide. So if you like things to come with instruction guide, if you like things to come with instruction guides, and it's very simplistic to assemble, this might not be the best product for you. But the reviews is immaculate online. They got about 35,000 reviews on Amazon. And check out the link. Again, I'm posted in the description, you know. But let's try to just get to it, man. Let's just try to get to it. Try to get to the screen protector. Again, let me see if I can find anything, which I believe I can't. Oh, here we go. Wow, it fell on the cut. Okay, here we go. Boom, right? And I don't know what's up with these awkward looking stickers, man. I don't want to know nothing like that, but that is what it is.
Smile. It's just a stick look hard though. It's one that's decent. Whatever it is. Put a lot of stickers in here. Oh, you got a Starbucks cat? That's crazy. That's crazy. Alright. Thank you, of course. Hope the instructions in here. It'd be crazy if it wasn't. Oh, wow. That's crazy. The instructions not in here. This is just a thank you for purchasing card. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's bananas.
So what we're going to do here, clean the screen. It should be very simple since it doesn't come with no instructions. It should be very simple. So we're going to remove the tempered glass from the styrofoam. Slides right out. You just place it on something, and first you got to wipe down the screen. So when you wipe down the screen, we got this to wipe down the screen. Most importantly, we got the alcohol pad. So we're gonna use the alcohol pad real quick. Installation of this is very, very necessary. I'm not gonna lie to you. Good thing it comes damp a little bit, because when I did the installation of my TV lighting strips, the alcohol pad was dry. That was kind of funny. I had other things to wipe down the back of my TV though. I'm gonna wipe it down like this, regular stuff. And I'm wondering, should I install it with the case on or off? I might take the case off. I think that's best, right? So we wiping it down, wipe. It comes with two alcohol pads. Might as well use both of them. Might as well use both of them. So yeah, I like how it looks, because it definitely covers up the scratch. When it fell, it scratched up, but minor scratch, you know. But I'm gonna remove the case. And I'm gonna wipe it down again with the last alcohol pad I got. Alright guys, my battery had died, so I'm back just to keep y'all updated on the process and the mistakes that I made. Very minor. Basically, this is how it looks while it's properly installed. Very durable. The only thing I want to leave you guys with is that wasn't captured in the video. When you install it, make sure you install it with the groove. The little groove goes on the top. I made it go on the bottom because in my mind I'm thinking, oh, your fingertips go here, so you gotta swipe up. But that's not the case. After I looked at it carefully, you can see that this is the proper way to install it. But nonetheless, it still works. It still functions the same way. The only difference is, it's not the way you're supposed to install it. But that doesn't bother me. I need to save this for when the case does get messed up, or whatever the case may be. What else I gotta leave you guys with? Oh yeah. And when you put the when you remove the sticker from the temperature glass, just let it stick. Let it work its magic. Don't try to push it down, because I remember I did that with when I had my iPhone 8, I did that, and it caused my phone to get a lot of bubbles. You know what I'm saying? What you gotta do is just place it on there, make sure you line it up properly, and let it all just blend in with the screen. Or you probably wouldn't use blend in. You just let it all sit on the screen and let the adhesive process work, you know. So that's what I want to leave you guys with. And all right, guys, y'all already know what to do. It really ain't nothing new. Thanks for watching. Like. It helps the discoverability of the video.